Hi friends, we have customized a 30-feet container swimming pool for clients from New Zealand. Let's check it. This pool external size is 2.2 meters in width and 9 meters in length. The height is about 1.8 meters. Container swimming pool is flexible to put in anywhere as part of the landscape. The exterior, like the size and color, can be customized, and the window size and position are also customizable to meet your individual needs. The fiberglass liner is durable and easy to maintain. This pool equipped with filtration and water pump system, and other options like the jet swim and water heater to make it more functional. Now, do you want one in your backyard? The house is made by manufacturer Magic House. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. If you want to customize one, I put the sales contact information and the shop link in the description box below. Or you can join our weekly live session to know us better. Thanks for watching.